let's talk about something that so many women feel, but we just don't talk about enough. That feeling of disconnection, a gap between you and your partner, even when you're right next to them. We're going to dive into what causes that and explore a really promising natural solution. Wow. This quote it gets right to the heart of it, doesn't it? It's not about not loving your partner. It's that deep, quiet loneliness when you're lying there together, but you feel like you're a million miles away because your body and your heart just aren't in sync. And this is exactly it. It's this strange internal battle. You love this person deeply, but when it's time for intimacy, your own body feels foreign, like it doesn't belong to you anymore. And instead of anticipation, there's this sense of dread. It's exhausting. Okay, now if anything I've said is hitting home, I really want you to hear this. Let this sink in for a second. It is not your fault. You are not broken. The guilt, the excuses, feeling like you're letting someone down, that is such a heavy weight to carry. And it's not a personal failure, it's biology. Because here's the thing. This isn't just something that's in your head. Not at all. These feelings are very real signals that your body is sending you. They're clues that your body's delicate internal ecosystem is a little off balance. Let's break down what those signals actually are. First, there's the physical stuff, the discomfort from things like vaginal dryness or just taking forever to feel aroused. It can turn something beautiful into a chore. Then you've got the emotional toll, that constant crushing guilt that you're not enough. And maybe the biggest one of all, the hormonal shift. Stress, post-pregnancy, and especially perimenopause and menopause can completely change the game, directly impacting everything from desire to your body's physical response. So, if the problem is our body being out of balance, what's the answer? Well, it's not about forcing something or using a quick fix. The best approach seems to be one that works with your body, gently nourishing it back to where it wants to be naturally. And this is where we see a real shift in thinking. The product we've been looking into, HerSolution, is all about taking a different path. The goal isn't to create some kind of artificial reaction. It's about supporting your body's own systems so they can do their job properly again. So here's what it is officially. A few words here really jump out. Doctor endorsed, that's huge. 100% natural, also incredibly important. But my favorite word here is nourish. It's not about fighting your body. It's about feeding it what it needs to find its own natural rhythm and readiness again. Okay, so that all sounds great, but how does it actually do that? What's inside? Let's get into the science and see how these specific natural ingredients work together to tackle those root causes we were just talking about. This is the really cool part. It's like a perfect blend of ancient wisdom and modern nutrition. So you start with things like niacin and ginkgo biloba. Their job is to get the blood flowing, which is absolutely key for sensitivity. Then you add mucuna pruriens, which is amazing because it helps your brain produce more dopamine, the pleasure chemical that makes you anticipate and desire things. And finally, and this is so important for women over 40 and 50, you have hops and epimedium, which are fantastic for helping to balance estrogen and fight that frustrating vaginal dryness. It's a team of ingredients working on all fronts. Now, anything that works with your body takes a little bit of time, right? This isn't an overnight magic pill. It's a journey. So let's look at what you can expect over about 60 days as these benefits start to build on each other and bring you back to feeling like yourself. So here's how it tends to play out. Within the first week or two, women often notice the subtle shift, a softening, they call it. Less stress, and this little spark, a gentle reawakening of desire. By day 30, the physical benefits really kick in. You start noticing more natural lubrication and your body responds more easily. And then, around the 60-day mark, that's when you hear the words life-changing. We're talking about a whole body effect, fewer mood swings, even lighter periods for some, and a physical response that just feels easy and natural again. And honestly, this is what it's all about. This isn't just about having sex. It's about reclaiming a beautiful, joyful part of who you are. It's about feeling vibrant and confident in your own skin. You absolutely deserve to feel all of this again. So we'll leave you with this question to think about. It's a bit blunt, maybe, but it's real. Is it time to stop just coexisting and start seeking a way to feel truly connected again to your partner, but maybe most importantly, connected back to yourself?